Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Huffaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System, Pakistan. This video session is for English text for class 8 and this is lecture number 5. Today we are doing reading comprehension on page number 6. So my dear students, take out your books and open page number 6. Very good. On page number 6, there is vocabulary, exercise number 2, words meaning. Here we are on page number 6, reading comprehension. Vocabulary, exercise 2. Now read the instructions. Match the meaning of the words given in the text and write the answers in the answer column. One has been done as an example. Beta, we have been given words in sequence here, but we have not been given meaning in sequence. They are jumbled. So we have to pick the correct meaning and write its correct option in the answer column. For example, the first word is sympathetic and its correct meaning is kind to someone who is sad or hurt, and its option is G. Okay, so we have to write this in the answer column as it has already been written, 1G. Now I will do the second for you. The second word is nature lovers. Nature lovers meanings फितरत से मोहब्बत करने वाला. You remember? I taught you in the words meaning class. Now look for its meaning. Here it is. Those who enjoy nature. And its correct option is I. And we will write this answer in the answer column. 2I. Okay. The third one is curious. Curious means जानने का ख्वाहिशमंद. Okay. Now we look for its meaning here. Speak very softly. Those who enjoy nature know. Wanted to know. Wanted to know. जानने का ख्वाहिशमंद, जानने वाला. So its correct option is K. So we would write 3K. Okay, now I have solved 3 for you and you have to do the remaining yourself in the same manner. Okay, next we have post reading exercise number 3 and this is true or false. Now look into your books for instructions. Okay, the instruction for exercise 3 is read the text and find out whether the following statements are true or false. Write T in the given blanks if they are true and write F if they are false. One has been done as an example. ठीक है बेटा, ट्रू और फॉल्स की एक्सरसाइज है. अगर स्टेटमेंट ठीक है तो टी लिखेंगे और अगर स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है तो एफ लिखेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन हैज बीन सॉल्व्ड. बासित एंड राहील स्टडीड इन द सेम स्कूल. बासित और राहील सेम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे. बिल्कुल दोनों एक ही स्कूल में थे. इट्स ट्रू. द सेकेंड वन इज दे लव्ड प्लेइंग इनसाइड द हाउस. वो घर के अंदर खेलना पसंद करते थे. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं कि ये सही है या गलत. नाउ ओपन पेज नंबर 3 पैराग्राफ 1. Here it is. Both friends enjoyed playing cricket together. उनको क्रिकेट खेलने में मजा आता था, क्रिकेट बाहर खेलते हैं. On weekends और जब छुट्टी सैटरडे संडे आता, they usually went to the nearby canal for fishing. तो वो कैनल चले जाते फिशिंग करने के लिए, ये भी बाहर है. Often they also went on long walks in the nearby forest. और अक्सर वो उनके घर के पास जो एक फॉरेस्ट था वहां वॉक करने के लिए चले जाते. तो इट मीन्स दैट कि घर में खेलना उन्हें पसंद नहीं था. ठीक है, सो इट्स फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. I will write if. Okay. The next one is Basit never helped Rahil. Basit ने कभी भी राहील की मदद नहीं करी. Let's see. Open page number 3, paragraph 2. Here it is. Basit always helped Rahil with his homework. He was always willing to guide and help him whenever he faced any difficulty or problem. बासित हमेशा राहील की हेल्प करता, होमवर्क में हेल्प करता, और जब भी उसे कोई परेशानी आती वो उसका साथ देता और उसे गाइड करता. इट मीन्स दैट द थर्ड वन इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. Okay, now you have learned how to do this exercise, so you have to do the remaining yourself. All right. Next we have exercise 4 on page 7, and exercise 4 is circle the right answer. Exercise 4 is circle the right answer. So turns to page 7 for the instructions for exercise 4. Okay, exercise 4 on page number 7. I'm reading its instructions. Read the question carefully and circle the right answer. Okay, so question हमें पढ़ना है और जो भी correct आंसर होगा उसको हमें सर्कल करना है. द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट डिड बोथ द फ्रेंड्स डू ऑन द नियर बाय कैनल ऑन वीकेंड्स. दोनों फ्रेंड्स वीकेंड्स पे जब कैनल पे जाते तो क्या करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स सी ऑन पेज नंबर 3 पैराग्राफ 1 लाइन नंबर 3. ऑन वीकेंड्स दे यूजुअली वेंट टू द नियर बाय कैनल फॉर फिशिंग. इट मीन्स दैट द करेक्ट आंसर इज fished. Okay, we circle it. The next one is what kind of a place was the forest that they visited. Forest कैसा था जहां वो जाते थे. Safe, dangerous, very small, too dark. Let's see. Open page number 3, paragraph 3, second last line. Dangerous beast living in the forest. खतरनाक वहशी जानवर वहां रहते थे, तो definitely the forest was dangerous. Okay, the third one is how did they feel when they visited the forest. जब वो फॉरेस्ट गए तो उन्हें कैसा लगा. स्पेलबाउंड, अनहैप्पी, क्यूरियस, डिप्रेस्ड. लेट्स सी अगेन ऑन पेज नंबर 3 पैराग्राफ 3 लाइन नंबर 3. दे वर सो क्यूरियस about everything that they just kept on following whatever caught their attention. They were so curious. Okay, it means the correct answer is curious. Okay, my dear students, I have done 3 for you and you have to do the remaining yourself. All right. Next we have exercise 5 on page number 8. Exercise 5 is read the text and orally complete the following sentences. After you have done it, write the complete sentences in your notebook. मेरे इस एक्सरसाइज में जो हमें ये टेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है, हम पहले इसको रीड करेंगे, रीड करने के बाद ये इनकम्प्लीट टेक्स्ट है, ये इनकम्प्लीट टेक्स्ट है, इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस है, तो हम इसका कंप्लीट सेंटेंस अपने लेसन में फाइंड करेंगे, ठीक है। और उसके बाद हम कंप्लीट सेंटेंस अपनी नोटबुक में लिखेंगे। ऑल राइट, नाउ रीड द फर्स्ट वन। Rahil and Basit went for a long walk in the forest because. Now look into your book on page number 3, paragraph 1. Here it is. Because they liked listening to the birds chirping, watching the animals at play, and looking at the beautiful flowers. Okay? Now you have to write these 3 reasons into your notebook to make it a complete sentence. Rahil and Basit went for a long walk in the forest because they liked listening to the birds chirping, watching the animals at play, and looking at the beautiful flowers. Now I have done one for you, and you have to do the remaining yourself. Okay? Very good. Now we have last exercise of reading comprehension, and that is exercise 6 on page number 9, question answers. And you have to do these question answers in your notebooks. Okay? The first question is, what do you think is the main idea of the story? कहानी का main idea क्या है? And the answer is, the main idea of the story is, true friend is the one who always supports and stands by you in any situation. The main idea of the story is, true friend is the one who always supports and stands by you in any situation. एक अच्छा दोस्त, सच्चा दोस्त वो है जो हर तरह की सिचुएशन में आपको सपोर्ट करे, आपका साथ दे और आपके साथ साबित कदम खड़ा रहे. Question number 2. What did Rahil do at the time of danger? What did Rahil do at the time of danger? राहील ने क्या किया जब खतरा सामने आया? And the answer is, at the time of danger, Rahil showed his selfish nature by climbing on a tree and left Basit to face the danger alone. I repeat, at the time of danger, Rahil showed his selfish nature by climbing on a tree and left Basit to face the danger alone. जब खतरे का वक्त सामने आया तो राहील ने अपनी सेल्फिश खुदगर्ज नेचर दिखाई, दरख्त पे चढ़ गया और खतरे का सामना करने के लिए बासित को तन्हा छोड़ दिया. Question number 3. What did Rahil think the bear had done? What did Rahil think the bear had done? And the answer is, Rahil thought that the bear had said something to his friends. Rahil thought that the bear had said something to his friend. Okay, next we have question number 4, and question number 4 is, do you think the bear actually said something to Basit? क्या आपको लगता है कि bear ने, रीच ने बासित से कुछ कहा होगा या कुछ कहा है? No, the bear actually said nothing to Basit because it considered him as dead. No, the bear actually said nothing to Basit because it considered him as dead. नहीं, बेयर ने बासित से कुछ भी नहीं कहा क्योंकि बेयर ये समझा कि बासित मर चुका है, क्योंकि बासित अपनी सांस रोक कर लेट गया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हाट वुड यू डू इफ यू वर बासित? अगर आप बासित होते, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप में से कोई बासित होता, आप सब सोचें इस बात को, तो आप क्या करते? ओके, इफ मैं सोचता हूं अगर मैं बासित होता तो मैं क्या करता? इफ आई वर बासित, आई वुड डू द सेम एज ही डिड टू सेव लाइफ. अगर मैं बासित होता तो बिल्कुल वैसा ही करता जैसे बासित ने किया अपनी जान बचाने के लिए. ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट वुड यू डू इफ यू वर राहील? अगर आप राहील होते तो क्या करते? इफ आई वर राहील, आई वुड हेल्प बासित टू क्लाइंब द ट्री. इफ आई वर राहील, आई वुड हेल्प बासित टू क्लाइंब द ट्री. अगर मैं राहील होता तो मैं बासित की हेल्प करता दरख्त पे चढ़ने में. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, What do you think happened after this incident? इस वाक़े, इस हादसे के बाद क्या हुआ? After this incident, they did not remain friends. After this incident, they did not remain friends. इस हादसे के बाद बासित और राहील फिर दोस्त नहीं रहे. Okay? Now, my dear students, take out your diaries for homework. This is your homework. Do exercise 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 into your notebook. Okay? I hope you have understood well and will do your homework energetically. We will meet inshallah in the next class. Till then, take good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.